Hello everyone, so for my MFC project I created a food ordering service, and right now I will run the application so you can see how it works. Okay, let me enlarge this real quick. Okay, so as you can see, the user has the option to choose between breakfast, lunch, and dinner, which is shown in the combo box right here, and let's just choose breakfast at the moment. So for breakfast, the options are eggs, hash browns, waffles, and pancakes, and the user has the ability to enter the amount of food that they want for each of the food options. So for example, let's just say 1 egg, 2 hash browns, 1 waffle, and 3 pancakes. And right now we're going to calculate it. So as you can see, the total cost is displayed right here, which will be $46. And for example, let's just choose breakfast again. Even if the user wants to get an ordered pizza, hamburger, sushi, sandwich, which would be the lunch option, it would not output anything. It would just output $0. So let's just see that as well. 2 hamburgers, 5 sushi, and 3 sandwiches. Let's calculate that. So as you can see, breakfast would still be $0 because these options right here would only be for the lunch menu, and these options right here are for the dinner menu. Thank you.